Pating Reviews presents NETGEAR Nighthawk AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 Router. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. Solid router and very good performance. I'm providing feedback based on 2+ months of real-world use of this product. Pros: Number 1, awesome design. Number 2, new NETGEAR graphic user interface for setup and configuration. Very easy to use and fast. I had the router set up in less than 5 minutes. Number 3, performance is decent out of the box. I expect with future firmware updates, this performance will improve more. Also, performance will be better once you have matching AX clients connecting to the router. Number 4, no Wi-Fi drops. Number 5, can handle 20 streaming clients without any issues. Number 6, no buffering or stuttering when streaming wireless or wired. Number 7, no dead spots in a 3,500 square foot home and the coverage 3 bars, 30 feet outside the house. Number 8, can create a single SSID which can handle both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz clients seamlessly. Number 9, no issues connecting legacy AC wireless devices, Android and iOS. Number 10, no issues with VPN. Number 11, gigabit fiber speed test is 940 megabits per second up and down with 2 millisecond ping to testing server. Cons: 1 is the price. Number 2, you will need AX clients to really take advantage of this product. Number 3, you will hear the fan when you first power up the router. Also, make sure you upgrade to 0.36 of the firmware after you set up the router to make sure fan does not stay running under normal use. Number 4, would have liked to see 8 gigabit ports for this price point. Overall, I'm very happy with this performance of this router, even on the first beta firmware. You have a router that is more than 4 years old or have a household with lots of wireless devices, then this router is a good choice. The price may seem a little expensive, but the router is well built. I expect performance to get better as firmware starts to mature. I have used the router every day for 2 months and it has worked flawlessly. Have not found any Wi-Fi dead spots in my house. Video streaming, web surfing, gaming all works without any issues. I definitely recommend this router. Here's a bit more information about this router. Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router compatible with any internet service provider up to 2 gigabytes per second, including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL, and more. Easy to set up and manage. Connects to your existing cable modem and sets up and customizes in minutes with the Nighthawk app. Easily manage your Wi-Fi settings at the device and network level. Test your internet speed, view speed history, and monitor data usage. USB connections. Share a storage device with any connected device and create a personal cloud storage to access from anywhere using the 2x3 USB ports. Advanced cyber threat protection. NETGEAR Armor, powered by BitDefender, is a network-wide antivirus, anti-malware, fraud, phishing, ransomware security on an unlimited number of devices and network data protection for $69.99 per year with a 30-day free trial. Smart parental controls. Pause or schedule device internet access. View site history usage. Filter websites. Set online times limits and more for $4.99 per month with a 30-day free trial. Wired Ethernet ports. Plug-in computers, game consoles, streaming players, and other nearby wired devices with 4 1G and 1 2.5G Ethernet ports. Loaded with advanced technology. Designed with a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, OFDMA, MU-MIMO, Dynamic QoS, 1024 QAM, Smart Connect for one Wi-Fi name, beamforming technologies, and Amazon Alexa voice control. Supports WAP 2 and WAP 3 wireless security protocols. Includes guest Wi-Fi access, DOS, firewall, VPN, and more. Wi-Fi 6. Stream everything at epic speed. Simultaneously stream uninterrupted movies, games, video calls, or download transfer files at 10.8 gigabits per second Wi-Fi speed. Works with existing and new Wi-Fi 6 devices like iPhone 11, Galaxy Note 10, and Galaxy S10. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.